Hello guys, good morning, and today we are going to hidden waterfall of Maharashtra, the Kataldhar waterfall and trek. This waterfall is located in Lonavala near Pune. To reach the waterfall is not so easy and requires basic trekking experience. That's why this waterfall is also not so famous. This waterfall is located in Lonavala near Rajmachi Fort, Pune district. As soon as you reach here, you can see the beauty is amazing and the climate is superb. The immense amount of greenery feels super soothing to your eyes. I took a deep breath and feels the brisk forest air filled my lungs. The field was super amazing, guys. You can see those beautiful multiple waterfalls falling down from the hills. The captivating cloud slides over the bright blue sky, and the overall feel is so pleasing that you can feel like heaven. With this majestic and beautiful nature, the feel of riding becomes so joyous even on the bad rough road. So finally I reached to the starting point of the beautiful, massive and hidden Kataldhar waterfall trek. To locate that point you have to find out 2 mango trees on the Rajmachi trekking route, at which point you can descend the Ullas Valley through the dense forest.
और आप रास्ता ना भटके इसके लिए यहाँ पर रेड रिबन्स बांधे गए हैं पेड़ों पर, जिस तरफ आपको टर्न लेना है. सो दिस विल हेल्प यू. अदरवाइज़ यहाँ पे 2 रास्ते जा रहे हैं. वन इज़ दिस एंड अनदर वन इज़ फ्रॉम दिस रेड रिबन. तो जहाँ पर भी आपको 2 रास्ते दिखते हैं वहाँ पे एक बार ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द रेड रिबन.
The sound of this flowing water, the music that wind plays, the creeping sounds of birds are so elemental that makes one filled with bliss. Again, time to follow these ribbons so that you won't lost your way. This is the thrilling experience to walk on the canopies and shades of trees and bushes in the jungle, feeling amazing experience in rain, which can be super adventurous for one, but at the same time you have to be alert and cautious that you should not lose your balance while ascending or descending. Kataldhar fall is a seasonal fall, and after the monsoon the waterfall dries up, but during the monsoon the beauty seems to be commendable. En route to Kataldhar waterfall, you can see these small beautiful waterfalls with massive amount of water. You can go and enjoy this. This waterfall is not much known to many because it is challenging to reach there due to its dense forest, and one can easily get lost in the woods. दोस्तों, अगर नहाने का मन करे ना तो घुस जाओ पानी के अंदर और आराम से नहा लो, मज़े ले लो. बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है, बहुत थ्रिल होने वाला है यहाँ पर. Again moving further, ये रिबन्स आपको ध्यान में रखना है. Don't get distracted otherwise. The name of this waterfall derived from the Marathi word Katal. In Marathi means the wall of rock, and dhar means waterfall. Hence Kataldhar.
काफ़ी संभाल के जाना होता है देखते हुए रिबन्स कहाँ है, रास्ता कहाँ जा रहा है. अदरवाइज देयर इज चांसेस ऑफ गेटिंग लॉस्ट इन द जंगल. अगेन इस पॉइंट पर 2 रास्ते दिखते हैं, सो यू हैव टू फिगर आउट द रिबन.
Guys, this place is flooded with so many crabs, so you have to be very careful. Otherwise, the crabs आपको hurt कर सकते हैं. इसका डंक जो मुझे दिखा रहा है, it's very dangerous.
और फाइनली ये असेंड करते हुए पहुंच रहा हूँ मैं कतलधार वाटरफॉल के सामने. यहाँ पर इतना बारिश था, सो आप देख सकते हैं द अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर दैट इज फ्लोइंग. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. दिस इज द ब्यूटीफुल एंड मैसिव कतलधार waterfall.
After reaching Kataldhar waterfall, you will see one eye-shaped cave that could easily accommodate 100 people. But during the heaviest of monsoon, you may not able to reach there as the water flow is super violent. From this cave, you can see Rajmachi Fort as well.
This is the most beautiful Maharashtra.
So guys, the day I went there, it was thunderstorm there. इतना जोर से बारिश हो रहा था. You can feel the sound of this blowing winds. And the water flow is super heavy, super violent. And due to which the cave was not visible at all. Guys, there is no better place to find yourself sitting next by a waterfall and listening to its music. It feels amazing how a thundering water can be so violent and calming at once. Guys, अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.